Understanding emotions is crucial for empathetic AI. The AI Emotion Analyzer uses advanced models to detect emotional tones in text. It enhances chatbots, feedback analysis, and other AI applications, providing insights. This open-source module is essential in modern AI under the God framework. It identifies emotional tones for AI empathy and understanding. Key objectives include sentiment detection, recognize positive, negative, and neutral tones. User experience, improve AI adaptability through emotional insights. Versatile application, suitable for chatbots and customer feedback. Open source, integrates easily into workflows. Key features of the AI Emotion Analyzer: transformer models, advanced models for accurate analysis. Confidence scores, assess emotional tone and decision-making confidence. Text analysis, handles phrases to paragraphs. Real-time insights, quick emotional feedback. Customization, supports various Hugging Face models. Error handling, reliable with robust input checks. Within the God framework, it enhances emotional understanding in AI. Contributions include enhanced insights, adds context, improving decisions. Empathy, enables empathetic AI responses. User-centric, aligns solutions with user emotions. Scalability, fits both small and large systems. Future enhancements include multilingual support, emotion detection in various languages. Expanded categories, recognize emotions like happiness and anger. Speech analysis, integrate emotion analysis in speech. Visualization tools, graphs for emotional trends. Custom models, for training specific sentiment models. Real-time API, large-scale emotional analysis. The AI Emotion Analyzer enhances human-like interactions and aids chatbots. It uses advanced models for accurate emotional insights. It empowers developers to create empathetic AI and stays at the forefront of technology. Start using the AI Emotion Analyzer today.